Poor sound quality can ruin every drive. Weak bass, muddy vocals, and limited audio control often prevent your car audio system from reaching its full potential. That's where DSP car amplifiers make a huge difference. They combine powerful amplification with advanced digital sound processing, allowing you to fine-tune every detail of your music. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best car DSP amplifiers of 2026. We researched product specifications, features, and user feedback to build this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tech reviews. Number 5. MAIMEIMI 4-Channel DSP Car Power Amplifier. The MAIMEIMI 4-Channel DSP Car Power Amplifier is designed to enhance factory and Android head unit audio systems with improved clarity and power. Featuring a built-in digital signal processor, it allows precise adjustments for treble, bass, and overall sound balance. The 4-channel design delivers clean amplification for speakers, while providing support for subwoofer integration. Installation is straightforward, making it a practical upgrade for many vehicles. With improved sound staging, reduced distortion, and customizable tuning options, this amplifier is ideal for drivers seeking richer and more detailed audio performance. Number 4. AUTOSHARK Android Radio DSP Audio Processor. The AUTOSHARK Android Radio DSP Audio Processor combines a powerful 4x80-watt amplifier with advanced digital sound processing technology. Designed specifically for automotive audio systems, it helps improve music clarity, bass response, and overall listening quality. App-based control allows users to adjust equalizer settings and customize sound profiles directly from compatible devices. The compact design fits easily into many vehicle setups while delivering strong performance. Whether you enjoy rock, pop, or bass-heavy tracks, this amplifier provides flexible tuning options and a more immersive driving experience. Number 3. Q-PERTORS 300-watt 4-channel amplifier. The Q-PERTORS 300-watt 4-channel amplifier is a versatile audio upgrade designed for modern car entertainment systems. Compatible with stereo upgrades, DVD players, music players, and Android DSP large-screen devices, it offers broad installation flexibility. Its 300-watt power output helps drive speakers more effectively, delivering cleaner vocals and stronger bass response. The 4-channel configuration supports balanced sound distribution throughout the vehicle cabin. Built for reliability and consistent performance, this amplifier is an excellent choice for users looking to improve everyday listening quality without a complicated setup process. Number 2. Sennuopu DS-M8 Car Audio DSP Amplifier. The Sennuopu DS-M8 stands out with its combination of a 4-channel power amplifier and advanced 8-channel DSP processor. Bluetooth connectivity allows convenient audio management and system adjustments, while the built-in equalizer gives users precise control over sound tuning. Designed for automotive enthusiasts who want a professional-level audio upgrade, it delivers excellent channel separation and enhanced sound detail. The amplifier improves bass impact, vocal clarity, and overall balance across the entire frequency range. Its feature-rich design makes it ideal for building a customized in-car listening experience. Number 1. Kuerl Car Power Amplifier 4-channel DSP Audio Amplifier. The Kuerl 4-channel DSP Audio Amplifier earns the top position thanks to its plug-and-play design, advanced digital processing, and impressive sound quality improvements. Built for Android large-screen head units, it offers a lossless audio upgrade without requiring major modifications. The integrated DSP allows detailed tuning of frequencies, speaker timing, and equalization settings for a more accurate listening experience. Clean amplification ensures stronger output with minimal distortion, while installation remains simple and convenient. For drivers seeking premium sound performance and easy integration, this amplifier is the best overall choice. A quality DSP amplifier can completely transform your car audio system with better clarity, stronger bass, and advanced tuning control. These 5 models offer excellent features and value for different budgets and setups. Which one would you choose for your vehicle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car audio reviews and tech recommendations.